How to change team name on FPL app. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to change your team name on the Fantasy Premier League app. You can edit Fantasy Premier League team name with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end to give your Fantasy Premier League team a fresh new name. So to change team name on FPL app. First things first, go ahead and open the FPL app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the bottom and tap on the Fantasy tab. If you've already created a squad, scroll down until you find Leagues and Cups. Tap on Configure Leagues. This will take you to the next step. Now you'll be redirected to a new page. Here, tap on Pick Team. If you've already created a team, you'll see it listed right here. To change your team name, scroll down until you see the Admin section. Under Admin, you'll find two options: Team Details and User Profile. Select Team Details. Now you're in the right place. Go ahead and edit your team name to whatever you like. Once you're happy with the new name, scroll down, then tap on the Save button or Update Details. And that's it. You've successfully changed your team name on the FPL app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.